Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today, we will show you a collection of high-demand wooden art project ideas for a modern market by turning forgotten wood into new meaningful pieces. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In the evolving landscape of modern decor, turning forgotten wood into new, meaningful pieces has become more than a creative pursuit. It's a cultural statement, an act of preservation, and a business model rooted in authenticity and sustainability. The transformation of reclaimed or weathered wood into high-demand art projects reflects a growing global desire for pieces that tell stories, carry soul, and align with responsible living. What was once dismissed as scrap or discarded timber now finds new life as the foundation of modern aesthetics and profitable craftsmanship. Each reclaimed plank or aged beam whispers of time, history, and resilience, qualities that can't be replicated by factory-made materials. In a world driven by speed and superficial perfection, the return to wood's natural imperfection feels refreshing and deeply human. It reminds us that beauty isn't found in flawlessness, but in character, texture, and transformation. When a woodworker begins with an old, uneven board or a reclaimed furniture piece, they aren't simply crafting an object. They are reviving a fragment of nature's past. This process becomes a dance between innovation and respect, between the raw charm of the material and the modern eye for design. Sanding, cutting, and reshaping old wood is like uncovering hidden potential. Beneath every scratch and dent lies a unique story waiting to be retold. The result: art that bridges tradition and modernity, timeless pieces that fit seamlessly into contemporary homes, yet carry the warmth and depth of history. From coffee tables made from barn beams to intricate wall art carved from old floorboards, each creation embodies the perfect balance between eco-conscious craftsmanship and market demand. The appeal of reclaimed wood lies in its authenticity. Its knots, cracks, and worn textures speak to the passage of time, something that resonates in an era of mass production and digital replication. Today's consumers are no longer drawn solely to pristine, uniform furniture. Instead, they seek emotional connection decor that feels genuine, personal, and ethically made. This is where the magic of reclaimed wood artistry thrives. It celebrates imperfection as a design element rather than a flaw. Each irregular grain, uneven edge, and sun-bleached tone becomes a mark of identity. The patina of old wood carries a warmth that new lumber cannot mimic. It tells a story of resilience and renewal. This emotional authenticity is what transforms ordinary wooden crafts into high-demand works of art. Yet, the rise of reclaimed wood isn't just about nostalgia. It's also a movement of sustainability and responsibility. As environmental awareness grows, more people are realizing that choosing reclaimed materials is both an ethical and aesthetic choice. Each upcycled piece reduces waste, minimizes deforestation, and gives new purpose to forgotten resources. The environmental value becomes an integral part of the product's appeal. Buyers feel they are contributing to a greener future while decorating their homes with pieces that are as sustainable as they are beautiful. For artisans and entrepreneurs, this creates a rare win-win scenario, one that blends ecological impact with economic opportunity. Sustainability, once viewed as a limitation, is now a selling point, a marker of forward-thinking design. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In the modern decor market, old wood has become synonymous with timeless sophistication. Its versatility allows it to adapt effortlessly across styles, from rustic farmhouse aesthetics to sleek minimalist interiors. It can be left raw and rugged or polished to a contemporary sheen. Designers now integrate reclaimed wood in unexpected ways, transforming it into statement lighting fixtures, elegant shelving, textured wall panels, or sculptural art. The juxtaposition of old material and modern design creates visual harmony, a reminder that innovation doesn't always mean starting from scratch, but rather reimagining what already exists. This blending of eras, textures, and philosophies is what gives reclaimed wood projects their universal and lasting appeal. For woodworkers, turning forgotten wood into art also carries profound emotional satisfaction. Working with reclaimed materials is like collaborating with nature itself, a process filled with discovery, patience, and intention. Every nail mark or grain pattern invites creativity, demanding that the maker adapt rather than impose. This encourages a mindful approach to craftsmanship, slowing down, observing the material's natural rhythm, and shaping it with respect. In a fast-paced, disposable culture, such slow artistry feels almost radical. It's not just about producing decor, it's about reconnecting with the essence of making, where the hands and heart work together to breathe new life into forgotten matter. From a business perspective, reclaimed wood projects are remarkably profitable. The growing demand for sustainable luxury has reshaped consumer priorities, and handmade, eco-conscious designs often command premium prices. Customers are willing to invest more in furniture or decor that aligns with their values and aesthetic sensibilities. They are not merely buying a table or a wall art piece. They are buying a narrative of renewal, a story they can display proudly in their home. Moreover, sourcing reclaimed materials is often inexpensive or even free, allowing makers to maximize profit margins while maintaining low production costs. It's a model that rewards creativity and craftsmanship rather than mass production. Beyond the economic benefits, the deeper value of working with old wood lies in its philosophical message, a reflection of how human creativity can transform waste into wonder. It's a quiet rebellion against throwaway culture, proving that renewal and reinvention are not just ecological principles, but artistic ones. Every reclaimed piece becomes a metaphor for resilience, a second chance, not only for the wood itself, but for how we view the objects that surround us. It reminds us that imperfection holds beauty, that history can be a resource, and that sustainability and profit can coexist harmoniously. For modern homes, these reclaimed wood art projects are not mere decorations. They are anchors of identity. They ground spaces in warmth, texture, and authenticity, offering a contrast to the cold uniformity of mass-produced decor. They evoke emotion, spark conversation, and carry a sense of place, whether it's a dining table made from century-old oak beams or a lamp carved from driftwood. These pieces make homes feel lived in and loved. They embody the modern ideal of conscious luxury, design that's beautiful, responsible, and meaningful. Ultimately, the transformation of forgotten wood into high-demand decor represents a broader shift in how society values creation. It's no longer about producing fast and cheap, but about crafting thoughtfully and sustainably. The imperfections once seen as flaws are now marks of integrity. The process once seen as humble carpentry is now elevated to fine art. Each creation, whether sold for income or made for personal fulfillment, becomes part of a movement that honors the past, enriches the present, and shapes a more mindful future. The artistry of turning discarded wood into treasure proves that in the hands of a passionate creator, nothing is truly wasted. Every reclaimed piece carries not just the beauty of craftsmanship, but the spirit of transformation, a reminder that creativity has the power to turn even the forgotten into something extraordinary. In today's fast-changing world, that power to see potential where others see ruin is the essence of both artistry and entrepreneurship. Through forgotten wood, modern makers are not only redefining what beauty means, but also building a sustainable legacy where design, emotion, and purpose meet, and where imperfection becomes the most valuable form of perfection there is. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked high-demand wooden art project ideas for a modern market by turning forgotten wood into new meaningful pieces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.